trying to make meme coin millions but overwhelmed by options. Today, we're diving deep, Bot vs Bullx, the showdown for the best crypto sniper tool. Let's find out which one reigns supreme. First up, Bot. You can find the official website through a quick Google search. Be careful to check for the verified icon. The strength of Bot lies in its automated execution, letting you preset your buys based on various conditions. Explore features like custom slippage to optimize buys, and multi-wallet support for diverse trading strategies. It also has a good user interface, but there is a learning curve. Now let's move over to Bullx. Bullx prides itself on speed. It claims to have faster transaction execution, vital for snapping up those early meme coin gains. Look into its real-time token analysis. This is useful to see if the token is a rug pull or not. Bullx is also very easy to use as the UI has a very low learning curve. Let's break it down. Bullx shines with its speed and ease of use. Bloom offers more automation but may have a steeper learning curve. Check the fee structure, as they can vary. Bloom has a better user interface. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your experience and trading style. If you value speed and simplicity, Bullx could be a good choice. If you're after advanced automation and control, Bloom might be the ticket. Experiment with both to see which gives you that edge and helps you land those sweet meme coin snipes.